Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another NYX beauty box to share with you. And this is the Party Essentials Makeup Cracker. It retails for £15 and it has a value of £55.50. And you will find a link to this one down below in my description, as well as links to the full NYX beauty box page, which has more of these crackers and baubles and new beauty boxes. So if you want to take a look, then you'll find it down there. Plus you see all my discount codes and offers to other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. So it'll all be listed down there. So let's get on to seeing what's inside the Party Essentials cracker. First up, we've got mascara by Benefit, and this is Bad Girl Bang, and it's in black. This is a really nice mascara, really pigmented. I really like this one. And quite tough to remove as well, so you need a good cleansing balm to rub that off your lashes. So there's that. Then we've got Aoran. I love Aoran. This is the CC Cream. What shade are you? It is Claire, in shade Claire. Clear is the lighter one. You have got Nude in some of them, and then you've got Dior, which is a darker one. The CC creams contain tiger grass, which is amazing for sensitive skins and also targeting redness as well. I really love this one. It is really nice. It's a skin perfector. I'd say it's more like a lightweight foundation. I really like it. It adapts well to your skin tone as well. Then we got Nude Sticks. This is a intense matte lip and cheek pencil in shade Fringe. Just get it there. That's really nice. I've got a few different shades from Nude Sticks, like an autumnal pumpkin spice type of shade. So there's that. So we got a lip and cheek pencil. And then lastly, we have got a pie. This is the Impossible Glow Highlighting Drops. And there's 10 mils there. I think I've put too much on. Uh-oh. Yeah, you clearly don't need that much. It depends on what look you're going for, that is. But isn't that beautiful? But yeah, way too much. Let's just put a little bit down there just to show you. It is really pretty. Definitely a more nighttime glow. That might be nice mixed in with a foundation. Again, it depends on your preferences, isn't it? So there we go. We got 4 items in the Party Essentials Christmas Beauty Cracker. We have got a Benefit mascara. We got a Nude Sticks lip and cheek pencil. We got an Aoran CC Cream, and we got a pie, a liquid highlighter. Retails for £15 and it is worth £55.50. I quite like this cracker. The only thing missing is an eyeshadow. But then I suppose, could you use that? You could blur that onto your lids as well to get a bit of colour there. For £15, I do think it's nice. Yeah, what do you think though? Do you like it, or do you think, nah, not worth it? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.